Before I reveal the top 3 natural drinks that may help detox your kidneys and support your body's natural cleansing process, I want to ask you something. What if some of the fatigue, bloating, low energy, or discomfort you've been experiencing isn't just because of age or a busy lifestyle? What if your kidneys are quietly struggling under the pressure of filtering waste, toxins, and excess substances every single day? Most people don't think about their kidneys until a serious problem appears, but these incredible organs work around the clock to keep your blood clean and your body balanced. The surprising part is that certain natural drinks may help support kidney function, improve hydration, and assist your body's natural detoxification pathways. Today, we're going to explore 3 powerful drinks that have gained attention for their potential kidney supporting benefits. Make sure you stay until the end, because the third drink is often overlooked, yet it may be one of the most beneficial options for supporting kidney health naturally. If you're interested in protecting your kidneys, improving your overall wellness, and learning simple habits that could make a real difference, then you're going to want to watch every minute of this video. Lemon water is one of the simplest and most popular natural drinks associated with kidney health. By adding fresh lemon juice to water, this refreshing beverage provides hydration while also supplying natural compounds that may support the body's normal cleansing processes. Proper hydration is essential, because the kidneys rely on adequate fluid intake to help filter waste products from the bloodstream and remove them through urine. When the body is well hydrated, the kidneys can perform their functions more efficiently and maintain a healthy balance of fluids and minerals. Are rich in vitamin C and contain citric acid, a natural substance that has attracted attention for its potential role in supporting urinary tract health. Citrate may help reduce the buildup of certain minerals that can contribute to the formation of kidney stones. For this reason, people include lemon water as part of a kidney-friendly lifestyle. The drink is also naturally low in calories, making it a healthier alternative to sugary beverages that may place additional stress on the body when consumed in excess. Benefit of lemon water is that it can encourage people to drink more fluids throughout the day. Many individuals find plain water boring. The fresh taste of lemon can make hydration more enjoyable and easier to maintain consistently. Our fluid intake supports the kidneys by helping flush waste materials and excess substances from the body. Freshly squeezed lemon juice is generally preferred over heavily processed lemon-flavored drinks because it contains naturally occurring nutrients without unnecessary added sugars or artificial ingredients. A simple glass of lemon water can be prepared quickly and incorporated into a daily routine as part of an overall healthy lifestyle focused on hydration, nutrition, and kidney support. Cranberry juice has long been recognized as a popular beverage associated with urinary tract and kidney health. From small, nutrient-rich cranberries, this tart drink contains a variety of naturally occurring compounds, including antioxidants known as polyphenols. These antioxidants help protect cells from oxidative stress caused by unstable molecules called free radicals. Since oxidative stress can affect many parts of the body, including the urinary system, antioxidant-rich foods and beverages are often included in wellness-focused diets. One of the reasons cranberry juice has gained attention is its potential role in supporting urinary tract health. Certain compounds found in cranberries may help reduce the ability of some bacteria to attach to the lining of the urinary tract, by making it more difficult for these bacteria to remain in the urinary system. Cranberry juice has become a commonly discussed option for individuals interested in maintaining urinary wellness. Hydration also plays an important role in kidney function, and cranberry juice can contribute to daily fluid intake when consumed in moderation. Adequate hydration helps the kidneys carry out their natural role of filtering waste products from the bloodstream and removing them through urine. Choosing cranberry juice with little or no added sugar is often recommended because many commercial varieties contain high amounts of sweeteners that can reduce some of the health benefits associated with the fruit. Cranberries also provide vitamins and plant based nutrients that support overall health. Red color comes from naturally occurring compounds that are commonly found in many antioxidant-rich fruits. When included as part of a balanced diet, cranberry juice offers a flavorful way to increase the intake of beneficial plant nutrients while supporting hydration and urinary system wellness through naturally occurring bioactive compounds and essential nutrients. Parsley tea is a traditional herbal drink that has been used in various cultures for generations as part of natural wellness practices. By steeping fresh or dried parsley leaves in hot water, this simple beverage contains a range of plant compounds, vitamins, minerals that contribute to its popularity among people interested in supporting kidney and urinary system health. Parsley is naturally rich in vitamin C, vitamin K, several antioxidants that help protect cells from oxidative stress caused by free radicals produced during normal metabolic processes. One reason parsley tea is frequently associated with kidney support is its natural diuretic properties. A diuretic is a substance that may encourage the body to produce and eliminate more urine. Increased urine flow can help the body remove excess fluids and waste products more efficiently. This characteristic has made parsley a common ingredient in traditional remedies, focused on supporting the body's natural cleansing functions. The herb also contains beneficial plant compounds such as flavonoids and carotenoids, which have attracted scientific interest because of their antioxidant activity. These compounds help support overall cellular health and may contribute to the body's natural defense systems. In addition, parsley contains small amounts of important minerals, including potassium and calcium, which play roles in maintaining normal bodily functions. A appealing aspect of parsley tea is its simplicity. It prepared with minimal ingredients and provides a caffeine-free alternative to many commercial beverages. The fresh, earthy flavor makes it a pleasant option for those seeking variety in their daily hydration habits. Because hydration is essential for healthy kidney function, incorporating naturally flavored herbal beverages like parsley tea can help increase fluid intake while providing naturally occurring nutrients and plant-based compounds. As we wrap up, remember that your kidneys are among the hardest working organs in your body. Every day they filter your blood, remove waste, balance fluids, keep you healthy without asking for much in return. While no drink can magically cure disease or replace professional medical care, kidney-friendly beverages to a healthy lifestyle may provide valuable support for your body's natural detoxification process. Small daily choices often create the biggest long-term results. If you found these natural drinks helpful, start by choosing one that fits your routine and make it a consistent habit. Your future health may thank you for it. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest health and wellness content. Let me know in the comments which of these drinks you have tried or which one you're planning to add to your daily routine. Thanks for watching, stay healthy, stay informed, and I'll see you in the next video.